everyone, I'm back again with Pixalogo team from Digital Production, and this is demo for Pixalogo Library. What is Pixalogo Library? Pixalogo Library is logo bundle templates with PowerPoint template. Okay, so basically, when people to create want to create logo, as usually creating using Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, or Adobe Illustrator. Okay, this is clear. But there is some problem when you create to design logo using like Adobe Illustrator. You need to designs or experience scale like a pro. Okay, but with Pixalogo Library, from today, you only need to drag and drop only using Microsoft PowerPoint to creating logo, awesome logo. Not only that, on this Pixalogo Library, you can creating logo animation template or like that, and on Pixalogo Library is a very cool product because for all template will choose on every folder like accounting, art and design, or auto repair, and then finance or music or retail, security, social media, software, technology, and etc. And on every folder there is a subfolder for one logo option template. Okay, you can see on accounting, area, and agriculture there is a template for logo PowerPoint. Okay, you can edit it using PowerPoint only. This is very easy to edit. Okay, for example, I will open this template on PowerPoint. Okay, and I will change my screen. Okay, this is not image, so you can edit it for every element like this. Okay, you can see this template. Okay, this is only needs to drag and drop and done. Okay, okay, and I will back to the file template. Okay, like this. For example, I will change my background on design and background. Okay, like this. For example, I will change to green color. Okay, only needs to change to green color. And if I want to change this text, I want to change to white color, and I can adding it to animation logo. Okay, I will adding animation. Sorry. Okay, I will open animation pane, and for example, first I will adding all animation and same on all element. I will okay, select all to element, and then for example I will choose animation for bounce. Okay, like this, and I will choose this file, this option, and play all. You can see it on logo template. Okay, like this. This is very cool. You can see you can change for timing or transition or etc. Okay, and then I will delete this animation. If I want to group this template, I will group and like this. Okay, and then I will choose another animation, maybe wheel. Okay, like this. Okay, you can see this is very cool, and I can to export it to PNG file or image file. Okay, I will go to desktop, okay, directory, and I will export it to PNG or image file. You can see this file, PNG file. Okay, this is image file for logo Pixalogo Library. Okay, and not only that, on Pixalogo Library you will get commercial license, so you can use this logo for client projects or video project from your client, not only use for your own business only. So this is very useful for you, and you get chance to generate more profit or more money from Pixalogo service on commercial license. This is will help you to creating beautiful logo and beautiful animation logo. Okay, this is very easy to use, and I think I will show you again about editing on element. I can change this element like this. Okay, I will change this element to, okay, for color I will change to black color. Okay, you will see this option. Okay, this is very good and very cool. Okay, see you and thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.